Okay, hello, good morning, friends, and welcome here. I want to say welcome to the YouTube video again. Today, I want to talk about Zobolo, Zobolo, or Zobolobo, whatever you want to call it. It is still the same thing. The red juice people mistake for Bisap. It is called Sorrel, and this is what it looks like. This is a half grounded sorrel. When you get to the market, you see that you have two colors, the deep colored one and then this one. That's the bigger flowers. Right now, what I have is this half grounded one. This is the sorrel. This is sorrel. It is there in the market. You can get it as cheap as you can. Sorrel grows in our wild forests, but because we don't really pay attention to what we have, we always look out for the Western help. But this one right now, you can always buy in the market. It is there in the market. You can buy as little as the cheapest pence you have in your pocket. Now, there are two types of sorrel, the sheep sorrel and the wood sorrel. In health and natural remedies, we know that the sheep sorrel is good, but the wood sorrel is more medicinal. The reason why I want to show you this is because research has shown that sorrel is very good for contagious diseases, contagious viral diseases. I mean, those diseases that when you make, it can affect the other person. And today we are talking about contagion coronavirus. That is why I want to show you, my friends, this good winey juice you can make in the house while sitting with the children so that they will always keep up. How do you make this wine or juice in the house? Simply boil water. I want to show you some spices that will help you activate the live enzymes of sorrel. Here I have mint. You know, it has that aroma. Then mint is antiviral, is very good for infections. And then this is rosemary. Rosemary is very good for memory and balance. It's also very good for detoxification, and then it helps keeping your skin beautiful. It also makes you look younger. It's a very good tea if you can drink it. And this is bay leaf. The bay leaf is one single herb that helps to tone up the muscles and then balance memory. And when you boil these three active spices, please don't forget to add ginger and garlic. It becomes active antibiotics that can work in all the energy centers of the body. Put these things in the water depending on the quantity of water you want to boil, maybe 3 sachets or 4 sachets. Put them in there, allow it boil. Once you finish boiling, off the light and then take 3 tablespoonfuls of your wood sorrel, add it, cover it, allow it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then voila, you get this. You get this juice. And this juice is a wonderful juice. So when you get this juice, some people would like to sweeten it. You can add your brown sugar. I mean brown sugar. Let me show you what I use. I use this brown sugar. This is what I use. We all know that brown sugar is more beneficial because it is unprocessed. So this is the juice, and when you mix it, your brown sugar, it becomes sweetened. Some people wouldn't want to mix sugar. It's not by force. Make this thing, bottle them, put them in the fridge. As the children are there in the home, give them the juice to drink. I want to tell you the importance of sorrel. Every blood spectrum has its own problems, especially the blood group O people. I always lay my emphasis on them because they are the beginning point. They are the universal donors. Each 5 to 7 days, their blood red platelets dies. And when it dies and putrefies, it's in the system. This become a base for contagion. I mean, for viruses to enter and stay in the system. And then what do? If you have a glass of Sorrel twice every week, assuming you don't have the chance to do it, but you can take a glass of Sorrel twice every week, you will go a long way to replace your red blood cells which have died, which you could not replace. So I want to help you with this. After your Friday fast, you can enrich your blood with this. On Sundays, when you want to make party for the children, please do the Sorrel for them. I want to also encourage those of our students who are now doing Sorrel for marketing, putting labels and then putting them on shopping malls. I give you kudos. Honestly, I give you kudos. But what I want to say is, please do not boil the Sorrel. Please do not boil. Sorrel has life enzymes that helps to keep the body going, and the moment you boil it, these enzymes will die. Simply boil the water, put the required spices. Please do not mix spices that will cause problems to you. Go with warm spices that is highly beneficial for all blood types. Ginger, garlic, bay leaf, rosemary, mint. They are there for you. Boil them. Once they are boiled, put them down. Just add your Sorrel and you have plenty of the juice. Bottle them, put them in the fridge. If you want to add your sugar, please add the sugar, not too much. Take a glass in the morning when it's warm on empty stomach. It's wonderful. If you are the type that used to have constipation, you can't go to toilet, a glass of warm Sorrel early in the morning or late night whilst going to bed helps you go to toilet very well in the morning. And remember, when you remove, you are happy and life rolls on. Depending and looking at the way we are sitting one place, you need the Sorrel always. So you have it today. Remember, Sorrel helps to prevent contagious diseases. How about that? Okay, I give you a happy viewing. Don't forget, Sorrel is for all blood types. No matter the blood types in your family, it is very good. If you have blood problems, whether you don't have enough, whether your blood has clotting, whether your period is not flowing well, whether you have stomach upset because of periodic pain, a glass of warm Sorrel is very, very proficient, excellent, and powerful. You will be very happy you did. Thank you for watching, and do your Sorrel for family, your children, everyone. Enjoy the weekend. Thank you.